Okay, good morning everyone. As we all know, we are doing our Awaken Citizenship program for the second part, that is class 8. I have sent you the PDF and we have gone through the chapters, we have gone through the slides of this Awaken Citizenship program. So the first module that we have gone through basically emphasizes on self-motivation, self-inspiration that one should possess inside oneself. Here in these slides, we have gone through the examples, the biographies, the life history of all the national figures, of all the eminent, remarkable, renowned personalities. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Varghese Kurian, Jamshedji Tata, and N.S. Swaminathan. We have learned how those people belonging from the downtrodden areas, belonging from the struggling lifetime of theirs, also got inspiration either from some person or by themselves. So the best thing that one should have, that one should possess, is the self-motivation and self-inspiration, because with the help of self-inspiration and self-motivation only, you get the inspiration, you get the power to bring about a revolution, to bring about a reformation change in and around the society. So what we have learned from these eminent figures, eminent national figures and personalities, that they have brought about a positive reformation, positive change in the society. So do you agree with that or not? Yes. We have gone through the chapters. You see Mahatma Gandhi, M.S. Swaminathan, Varghese Kurian, Jamshedji Tata. He brought about a revolutionary change in our India. So the best thing that we have learned from this first conceptual model is the power of believing in ourselves. Okay, so we will go through with lots of slides, many more. Thank you.